USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all in the same page on this very, very, very crucial, very important civil justice closure sign off I'm providing for myself. And it is a multitasking, right? And I hope we are all in the same page on that regard, right? And yes, my dear fellow mankind, the civil justice for United States of American nation with fatal negligence created robocall poverty mandate and enforced poverty to I and enforced the finance disability to I and also created finance debt to I. And that is the deadliest crime that comes under the domestic violence of United States of American nation, and that is why United American States of America is handcuffed, at fault, and found guilty in all crimes of Vatican. Okay, so I will quickly read this session, and it will go very fast. I'll keep this short so that the session will be short as possible. Okay. For I, Vedapriya Prose, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis is Roman Empire King Herod as of February 2021. Any salary, as in tax-free billions of dollars, USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide, can help me. So scandal phases of Republica Europe nations worldwide is Republica software world, Apple is enforced to be prostitution. So Apple, you all aware of it, right? The Apple and the products and the entire organization is a prostitution nation after all. They never educated. USA Republican government can never enforce poverty, and USA can never create robocall poverty mandate. Why? Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, and a true civil supreme judge, and it is fatal negligence of Republica software world Apple is enforced to be prostitution, to be fatal negligence. Either USA Republica should say knows who is Republica software world Apple is enforced to be prostitution, or either USA government should say don't know who is a Republica software world Apple is enforced to be prostitution. So what is a crime? The Republica software world Apple is enforced to be prostitution, created robocall poverty mandate, and it is deadliest crime, and it comes under the classification of domestic violence and subclassification of breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury to the brain nerves, and battery and types, and assault and types, and false imprisonment and types, and trespass to land and types, and trespass to chattels. Then as of today, I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own the text for ongoing civil justice sign of closure for myself. USA Apple is enforced to be prostitution. Who gave authority for software Apple to be even prostitution at the first place? I never asked. Did you all ask? No. Then who created software Apple to be enforced to be prostitution? Is it God? No. Is it software developers? No. Then who? Pope Francis and Queen Elizabeth II and all the Islam leaders. So they have to pay the price, right? They just like that cannot come and abuse the software public services. How much of toxins has been injected to the software world type only Apple products alone? Who is going to pay for those damages? And yes, my dear fellow mankind, as of today, nobody should be working for Apple. But how many people are working for Apple without being aware Apple is an absolute prostitution? I know, all the software world population, bloods are boiling, the veins are bursting. I'm saying please be patient. I sure will throw Pope Francis in the volcano. Wait, watch and see. Just wait, watch and see. Yes, whether people love to hear it or not, USA, software world, Apple is prostitution. So how many people are wearing Apple watches? How many people are wearing using Apple products? How many people are fanatic love for Apple products alone? It is a nation, my dear fellow mankind. Can you all see how the crime has been increased in an exponential way? Apple is a nation itself as a standalone. And that is why civil justice, and discipline must be provided. Just because they are software world, just because they are providing robots, no, they cannot get away free with whatever damages they are doing to the population who are being tortured with the adverse software services. Who asked for adverse software services? Nobody. Nobody asked. And I want to provide the public testimony one more time. When I was working in the Poverty Free Earth, End of the World, or the 2030 project, I stood up. I slapped on the face of Apple when people were worshipping Apple as God. I slapped on the face of Google when people were worshipping Google as God. When I slapped on the face of Microsoft when people were worshipping Microsoft as God. And I said, they are all absolute prostitution facilities. And I gave the task, quick. I will give only 2 years maximum deadline. Maybe you take 1 year extra. Remove all the adverse software applications from the stores, Apple stores or Google stores or Microsoft stores. Remove it. Just ban it. Just clean up. Clean your database. This is how you should clean your database. I provided step-by-step guidelines as well. So you all aware that whatever community standards they are providing, it's all wrong. It's all crap. Right? It's just a namesake. They just want to fool the population. That is all. In the name of community standards, in the name of software, in the name of robo, like that. How long they can fool? No. So, what are the tasks I provided to them? I slapped on the software world and I asked them to remove all the count by count. I don't know, they can stand upside down, they can roll on the road, they can do whatever. Just remove all the adverse software applications from the Apple Store and Google Store and Microsoft Store. And I also educated, clean your database from Google search engine, Apple search engine, and Microsoft search engine. And I provided step-by-step guidelines how to clean those databases as well. I also educated, go to your browser. I provided a fire slap, right? They could not take it because they are all men's club. Right? And I'm a woman. They just could not take it. But even in that mode, they were happiest that they got disciplined by I am Vedapriya, the wisest women in the whole entire planet. I slapped, I said them, go now to your browsers, be it Chrome browsers or Windows browsers or Firefox or Opera or Safari. Right? Or any other browsers that is available. Go now. Redesign it according to my standards. Redesign it according to the healthy human standards. I slapped them. People are working. And that is how the Windows 10 became Edge. Just like that. It's not easy. Because I went down, I provided the detail down to the level of the motherboard, the microprocessor level, designing level. I educated them. I slapped on the face of Intel. I said, design the microprocessor like that. Design it my way. Just design it. Stand upside down and design it. Even by the time the microprocessor motherboard is arriving to the Apple facility or the Chrome Google facility or Microsoft facility, all the fixation must be done right in the motherboard itself. I educated them. I provided what guidelines and step by step. I provided all the solutions already. They are all working. Be it Intel, Qualcomm, whoever working on the microprocessors, like Texas Instruments or whatever. They all are working on those tasks on one side. Google, Apple, and Microsoft are working on cleaning up their database. They know that once when I start the job, I sure will ask a status report from them. They fear me only. They just laugh out with all this justice that is going on whenever they have to face grilling with the Senate population, they laugh out loudest because they know the Senate and all are crap and all are, they don't know what they're doing. So that is a separate scandal crime as a standalone. And this is a separate crime as a standalone. People are working. They admitted their mistake. And they are happiest being handcuffed by I am that I am Vedapriya, the wisest woman in the whole entire human planet. When the 7.9 plus billions of humans were worshipping Apple as God, I slapped Apple. When they were worshipping Google as God, I slapped Google. When they were worshipping Microsoft God, I slapped Microsoft. Means that is when, that moment, population knew, oh, this woman is a God-chosen woman. God sent angel. God sent true friend. Like that. Because always if you see the attribute of a true friend is excellent, perfect, cleanest love. There will be an excellent discipline. So, I know the labor that will be involved in cleaning up. It's not easy to clean up all this broken software world. I already been saying what? To write one software line of code, it's a too much of brain drain process. It is tough. People have to think, analyze, create, come up with a logic. And these logics were enforced to be mandated to be wrong. Enforced to be mandated. So that means I will only seal and shut down all the browsers. So then what will happen? Tell me. Tell me what will happen. All the national operations will be freezed just like that. In 1 second it will be freezed. Right? And beyond that, what will happen? Whoever working, the innocent population who are working for Apple, who are working for Google, who are working for Microsoft will be laid off. And they will be tortured. They will have to wonder how they will pay for their monthly bills. And then they also have to worry about how to feed their families in the dinner table with a healthy meal. I am extra empath, my dear fellow mankind. And I'm not ashamed to proclaim loudest that, yes, I am empath. I can understand other people's pain without even talking to them. It is God-given talent for me. So, instead of shutting down the software world, that's not the solution. That is not a civil justice, right? Okay, that becomes very easy, like a lazy people work. Seal and shut down means Apple, Google, Microsoft, all must be sealed and shut down. But that's not I wanted, right? What is a healthy civil justice? Just discipline them, direct them in the rightful way, right? And then guide. That is all is needed. Then the Microsoft, Apple, Google, they will run only in wisdom ways. They know what mistake, what crime they did. I provided the true conviction after all. The true conviction removes the shame, guilt. I already said, entertainment world, whatever guilt they are, whatever abusive provided by them they are, right? It can be anything, any filth. I am the one who's going to bail them out. And I already said Google, Microsoft and Apple, they were just wondering, am I a robo from alien planet? Means they know. My brain is a super fastest microprocessor that can work fastest than any microprocessor available in the whole entire planet Earth. Even the robots fears me only. Amazon, Alexa, you name it. Right? Or Google, whatever that home or whatever product. I don't know what products they have, but I am aware that all these three people, they come up with all their own brands of products. Because they are all separate nations as a standalone. People have fanatic love for Microsoft products, fanatic love for Apple products, fanatic love for Google products, and there are even rivalries also. They will not even like civilians just because they like the other products. So that's all will be gone. Don't worry. I was the only one asked them, slapped on the software world, and I said, all you're providing is the same product with different brand. Until then, population were not even able to aware that all of them are providing only same product until I educated them. Then I said, okay, now everybody knows that all the products are same, just the brand name is different, the cost is different, that is all. And features may be here and there, that's all. So, for a team process, join hands. Go. Do whatever you may be. Leave aside your indifferences, conflict of interest, everything keep aside. Just join hands, become a team mode. And share and provide the task which I am asking you to do. And that is why if you open any browser, there will be Facebook, there will be YouTube, there will be Twitter, there will be Signal, there will be Zoom, you name it. So when I'm saying Apple is a prostitution, everything, it's an umbrella. Apple is a nation, right? So everything comes under that umbrella, means all of them are prostitutes. So that means tell me, where they are telling online education, even online education is crime. So the medical compensation will be provided. So that means how many schools they were providing online education through Zoom, through Facebook, through YouTube. They all must be paying. Lot of medical billing is on its way. See, wait, watch and see. What is President Joe Biden going to do about this kind of a crap? He cannot fix it. So I already said when he's going to say software world, the software world will say big no. But they are in the helpless mode. Because they are in the survival mode, because his administration only they have to work for next 4 years. Even in that survival mode, they will say only big no. They will be super mad. Because software lines just like that cannot be rewritten. There needs to be time to think about it, to analyze about it, to provide a feasible study, whether it can be worked on or not, what are the risks, what are the assumptions, or how to provide a risk mitigation when certain things are not available, how it can be built in a reliable way that it can withstand for 50,000 years, how the database can be cleaned up on a regular basis. I provided all the tasks step by step. Means the Google, Apple, Microsoft got all the solutions that is needed for them to clean up their databases. It's just they keep working on, because the distraction was exponentially increased. They just could not do it. 2 to 3 years passed already. Right? And it's almost to the deadline I provided. Maybe they can take 1 year or 2 years, next 2 years, maybe. Because I know that labor is involved, is too much of labor. And that means that many people they should have hired by now. Healthy jobs must have been created. But there again, that's another scandal. Right? Pope Francis says what? Don't hire. Let the talent of the civilians be wasted. Let the nation be poorest because of that. So, can you all see how roadblocks has been provided in an organized way? Apple, Google, Microsoft wanted a lot of people to be hired. One side. Because to clean up the database itself will take a lot of hours, man-hours of labor. I'm talking about only to cleaning up the mess, cleaning up the chaos in the software world alone. They have to hire lots of people. And I also provided the guidelines, hey, to hire the people, look, these, whatever needed. If the person is able to learn, if the person is willing to learn on the job training mode, hire them. Because regardless of experienced population or unexperienced population or recent graduates, the first 90 days of the job to 6 months of the job, they are all in the training mode only. They have to understand the systems. So it does not really matter whether you're experienced, whether you're a summer intern, whether you're a recent graduate, whether you don't have any clue, whether you do not have any software knowledge. It does not even matter. All they wanted is for the hiring processes, whether the civilians are willing to learn on the job training when the training and overview is provided. That is all is needed, because when they are going to hire for cleaning up this mess, all they wanted is civilians is to display the errors after all, because that by displaying the errors, it's not mocking the software developers, no. It is helping the software developers in the rightful way and also helping the business clients on the rightful way. Because people, they don't know when the business clients, when they provide the requirements to the software world, they just don't know what they want the product to be. I already said, when the team are forming and they are entering and when they're working on, nobody in the team will know what they're going to get into until the product comes out as a fruition at the end of the development. So that means that many times software will be written, that many times it will be errored, and that many times the patches will be provided, that many times the testings will be going on. And finally, the business line of product will be coming up. It is not easy. So they cannot even say, oh, you should have this. No, because even if they're having experience, when they're going to get into the job, 90 days is needed to even a president, even a president, whoever gets the president job, even the president needs that minimum 100 days to get into that formation. He'll be panic mode. Everybody for that matter. You name it, if they want to hire a Senate or a Supreme Judge, everybody needs that little bit of that space to understand the processing at the first place. Some people will learn so fastest. Some people need some time. We cannot compare. Nobody can compare. I already said, it is God-given wisdom for me, my dear fellow mankind. I can understand the complex in a fastest way possible. And if you are going to see my same age group or same peers or maybe younger, or their way of brain processing might be different, lagging behind or whatever. But when I'm able to crack down on the complex puzzles, understand the systems, how systems can talk with each other, they call it what machine learning, right? Or data mining, like that. I will get stuck up in that very easiest task which my peers will do it. Like printer, when the print is not working, I will not know how to fix it, like that. So can you all see that how the talent varies, and each and every single talent, no matter what, on what level matter, it is a valuable talent. Just because I am able to crack down all the complex and able to translate a complex and simplest to the teams, it does not mean I am the god or guru like that. No, right? And I lack in other things, right? I lag in other things. Versus my other peers, instead of working on able to understand and translate the complex in simplest form, he or she might be an excellent software developer coder. When they ask to provide this task, immediately they will they'll write the code and they'll provide that patch to the software team. It will be like just in time saver mode. People will be just wondering how. So some people work like that, and some people are workaholics. Some people can sit long hours and work. Some people cannot. For each, some people, they have to keep on moving around every 2 minutes, every 5 minutes. Some people, they have to keep on talking, like gossiping. That's the way their brain process works. You all know the coffee time, the drinking water time, the restroom time, or happy hour time. Some people, they take that as a gossiping time. Some people, they take it to create a politics within the workplace time, to make sure who can be scapegoated and made to be gone out of this team. Like that, they will work behind the scenes. People will never know. backstabbing. So all these are there. Then there will be comedians in the team. There will be bookworms in the team. There will be nerds in the team. Right? Some people will not even talk in the team. You know what? At this point of time, I also want to add one more testimony about myself. Okay. Why I'm laughing? You all know why I'm laughing, right? And that's what you're all thinking of. If you see all my video sessions from the start, what am I doing? I'm talking. And how I'm talking? With super frustrated mode, and my voice is a bass voice and authoritative voice, right? But then I'm basically, I would say, shy and introvert, will not talk easily. I just cannot talk to the civilians so easily. Okay, it will take time for me to talk. Okay, and I'm very reserved, and that is how I have been in my earlier assignments. Okay, in the workplaces, very reserved. Okay, and when I have to talk, I talk like that, and go to the workplace, do my work, come out, and I'm workaholic, which I should work on that part. That once when it is done mode, right? I should not be workaholic thinking about how to do that. But then once when the brain is in the analysis mode, it keeps on working. So that is one part, and the other one is. Other than that, I will make sure that my whatever task is given to me, I will get it done. So that means even when people are not fearing to work on those complex tasks, they will say, okay, give this task to this resource. It will be done. It will be done perfectly. Right, meaning it will be all my tasks, and completion will be mostly close to the zero error level, right? Even if there is a known errors, tolerable errors, it will be almost excellence mode only. So meaning, yes, when this task is given, or it will be done, finished mode. People can just close eyes and rely on my work like that. Okay, so these are the things. And yes, so that means you all might be wondering, oh, this lady is so rude, so adamant, shouting like that. But then in real thing, I am reserved and I talk less in workplace, anywhere, I cannot talk just like that easily to the civilians. No, it will take a lot of time for me to talk. Okay, and before talk, I always make sure that I am having that same comfort level, how I talk to my parents, how I talk to my siblings or my relatives. That is the same comfort level zone I provide for myself when I talk to the people. Okay, then that's how you might relate how all my videos I've been talking to you all, and with frustration mode means that's a comfort zone. How I talk to my parents and siblings, I talk like this only to my parents and siblings. I make sure that it's the same to everybody. So that's why I talk in a unbiased way to everybody in the same love, clean love. Okay, so this is pretty much me about me. So you all might be absolutely in shock. Oh, is this lady introvert? Is this lady cannot talk? Is this lady shy or like that? But then yes, my dear fellow mankind, for me it take a lot of time to talk. Just like that, I cannot talk. Okay, so, and I'm not saying it like a proud, see, I'm an introvert like that. No, it's just the way I am, right? And that's pretty much it. So that is why most of the time it is very common, right, for the humans to misunderstand me because I will not talk. So they might even misunderstand me as a rude person. But then people never knows that whatever I had to deal with, whatever personal impacts that I have to handle with, and the people will never know. So that is why when they will say, oh, why this lady is not even talking? So is she arrogant? Is she rude like that? But for me, I had to deal with lot of personal impacts one side and also get to work and do the task one side. Means it's all with God-given strength only I do. And yes, my dear fellow mankind, I think I don't know about my peers. I think I have a very basic, good sense of dress code. Okay, and I already said that I like makeup and I wear pretty very simple makeup. Okay, I don't know about my peers, and this is what I am. Okay, so that means I provide a silent smile when people provides any kind of hurting classification, right, or mocking classification. I just pass by silent with a smile and smile only. And I am excellent in providing healthy conflict management solutions and reconcile solutions, right? That's all given wisdom by God for me, because I can handle it only with the God-given wisdom, right? Because I am average human, and sometimes it might even I might even lose my the tolerance level, and so then that's how the God's Holy Spirit can help me to handle all those situations in a healthy, possible way. I use the healthy management of emotions, healthy priority management of emotions. And these are the ones which I even educated my fellow mankind worldwide. How you can provide healthy way, healthy processing, like that. So there again, it differs from person to person, right? When a person is backstabbing a civilian, laughing in front of the civilian, how that pain is handled is different, right? It can be national leaders, it can be state leaders, it can be household members, it can be a family, it can be a friends, it can be judge, it can be colleagues, it can be workplace environment, but it all differs how they can handle that pain inflicted on their brain nerves when a civilian provides a backstabbing. Some people brain will go to shock mode, right? And some people will take it easy mode. That is how when people even mocks and bullies, some people can take it easy, some people cannot, right? So then there again it comes into the processing of healthy joke and unhealthy joke, right? Some people, they want to create unhealthy joke, adverse jokes, in the name of joke they want to indirectly or directly hurt the civilian. So I do not like those parts. I like to enjoy a healthy joke and laugh at loudest. Means you all know, though I might be very quiet like that, when it comes to the enjoy that laugh and laughter mode, I will just laugh out loudest. My voice is so, it's already bass voice, so when I'm going to laugh out loudest, it is be laugh out loudest mode only. People knows about that, right? And then on the other level, when people are talking very unhealthy joke or in a different meaning it has, and I cannot understand that. So that everybody knows that, and I've been always mocked of that only. By the time I would I will ask for the explanation of the joke and what exactly it means. They will say forget it, whatever, and they'll move on. Got it? So, or the people would have finished understanding that joke and laughed out louder already, and I'll be the one wondering what is the joke all about. And by the time I come to understand, that joke thing will be gone. Okay. So this is a little bit about me, and yes, my dear fellow mankind, I will keep telling about me down the road, one step at a time. Okay. And yes, my voice is so loud by bass. Even if I'm going to talk in a normal way, it will be like I'm shouting like that. So it is very easy for people to misunderstand me, and I'm just the way I am. I say, I already said, when I'm going to display the correct is correct and wrong is wrong, either my civilians going to like me for that or they're going to hate me for that. I already said that, right? People, there's no in between like that. Oh, maybe we can like, oh, maybe no. Either they're going to hate me or they're going to love me for I am that I am, right? And this is just me, little bit about me. So, and I have the stage fear, the crowd. So, how, and by providing these video sessions, you all might be aware how comfortable I am talking, right? Because I am not facing the crowd. That is why. So maybe I should learn about facing the crowd and talking, right? And maybe one or two video sessions I was, I was talking myself, right, in front of you all in meeting. Um, Recorded me talking, right? So that also how it is a recording only, right? I'm just talking behind the scenes mode, so that creates that kind of a comfortable zone for me. So this is pretty much about me, okay? And yes, I do get angry, and I get a healthy anger always, okay? And I already said that I used to use curse words, and now I worked on it, and when I'm super mad, I'm still able to not use curse words. That is a lot of transition for me. That is my end. So, and other than that, I always display cleanest love. I provide blindest faith, blindest trust, okay, blindest belief to my peers, okay. So I do not even want to know about my peers first and then talk to them, right? No, it's not me. For me, I'm comfortable when I can talk to any of the my peers without knowing anything about them. And for my brain processing, that is how I can display clean love. Otherwise, it is a polluted love, right? It becomes a prejudiced. What is that word called? Prejudiced, stereotyping, right? Based out of whatever they know about the people, then they have their brain processing in a stereotyping mode. Oh, this is how is this civilian. Oh, this is how she or he going to be. Oh, this is how we have to talk, like that. Means then there is a polluted and biased way of talking, right? But for me, I do not want to know what they are, and I can still provide my cleanest love. I can just walk right by side with that civilian, whether regardless of their wisest or fools. If they are fools, I will slap on the fool. That is for sure. So that is why either people will love me or hate me. If the civilians are fools, I sure will slap a fire slap, and I sure will have the cane in my hand and discipline the fools to be wisest leaders after all. See, that is what a true leader means. A true leader will educate all the civilians to be leaders. Wise stands on the crowd means the wisest will share the wisdom to the people and make all the people wisest. That is why wisest is wise. But if you see the foolish people, they think that by sharing the wisdom, sharing the knowledge to the civilians, they lose something, and they will not even educate the civilians when they are walking in the foolish, right? Because it's all a foolish disease after all. But the wisest only, they will go extra mile. They'll provide extra mile help. They have extra mile tolerance. They have extra mile patience. And if you are going to ask me, yes, I do have extra mile patience. I do have extra mile tolerance. Okay. And I can provide extended bailout processing, but for me, when it is super injustice, the forgiving part, it's a little bit tough, but I ask God strength, and I can still provide a bailout. Means bailout is also extended forgiveness only, right? And sometimes I might even shout, and then I'll forget whatever I said. So those are my things. And even if there is a position that I do not have to forgive, I do not have to forgive, I still, move forward with God given strength, and I will forgive. And even if there is a backstabber, I can even with God given strength hug a backstabber. Okay, so that's all with only God given strength only I can do, because I'm average human, my dear fellow mankind, right? Because the emotional pain infliction, it is deadliest. It is so severe pain. See, when I already educated, when I walk on the road or when I'm cooking, if hot oil, for drops on my hand, and if that is a pain. But that, when compared to that pain, the pain inflicted on my brain nerves is too much. So my brain just cannot handle the backstabbing or foolishness like that. My brain can handle healthy environment, happy environment, true friend, true clean love, like that more. So that is why only with the God given strength I can provide that bailout process as well. Okay, that is why I'm even saying, oh, see, I cannot forgive means that's how my brain works. I don't know about my peers. My peers might say they can forgive, but in their heart they cannot forgive. They might have that grudge in their heart, right? They might go backbite, or they can have that grudge and they can show it in a different ways. For me, I talk straight everything. So even after that, so that means even for a solving process, I need to sit and talk. It can take minutes, it can take hours, it can take months, it can take years. I need to sit and talk. My brain operates in a healthiest way when I am given an opportunity to sit and talk. For some people, they will never talk anything, they will not say it out anything, and that's how their brain operates, right? But for me, I have to sit and talk. If I find some kind of a that's not appropriate like that, I need to sit and talk, right? Sit and talk, face to face, sit and talk. But once when that opportunity is not given to me, even my brain will go in a shock mode. My brain will be so much in pressurized, and as if my brain is being pulled and thrown on a hot oil mode, like that. It will be painful for me when I am not given an opportunity to talk, when there is a solution that needs to be fixed. So because they are not giving me an opportunity, right? That's what it means. Then the justice process itself is wrong, right? So that is how it happens even in the households, even my family members, my the people known to me, when they're not gave me an opportunity to talk, or they just cut me off, right? Like that, my brain goes in a painful mode, and then I have to deal with it, and I have dealt with it in a healthier way possible only. And always people who have known to me knows that I display the frustration upfront, straight to straight, face to face. There is no hidden behind backbiting, gossiping like that. Even in the family gathering or in the friends and reunion, when people are the women always they are in the gossiping mode only, and I will be left out in the crowd mode always. Okay, because there are certain things which I do not like, and certain things I like, and I have to deal with it and handle with it, right? So always in that crowd, I'll be always left out mode. So people will be wondering why this in the left out mode means I'll be sitting quiet, I'll be playing the puzzle games, or like not fitting on the crowd mode always like that. It's because certain things I like it, certain things I do not like it. On the other hand, when it is coming to the family board games like Pictionary or any other nice, healthy wellness games, or that I will join and I will enjoy it, right? Like being a family board games, or healthy movie like that. But then this is me, so you all getting to know me one step at a time, right? So you all might be wondering, oh, this lady's voice is so authoritative, so rude, so arrogant. Yes, my dear fellow mind, can people most of the time misunderstand me only. Okay, it is because of me and my brain processing. So for me it will take a lot of time, and once when I know the people, they are sure to get the cleanest love from my end. Okay, that means at the cost of death kind of a mode. I will cover them no matter what. I will stand in front of them. That is all it is all about. So that is how I provide the cleanest love for everybody, and you all got it right. So how I'm able to talk to the other people is all because I have that comfort zone of how I talk to my parents and how to talk to my siblings, my my known people. And you all can be sure that always forever from my end I will get only you all will get only the cleanest love, blindest faith, blindest trust, blindest belief from my end. And yes, you all can count me. This is also I provided as a task. You all can count me, okay, as because everything the worldwide is an ocean, right? Because that many human brains are there, so that many different processing will be going on, so that many conflicts will be there. Whatever I like, my peers might hate it. Whatever my peers hate it, I might like it. It goes either ways, right? So but then on the bottom line, this is what I am. Okay, so you all can count me in for whatever healthy choices you all want to provide. Yes, you can point out and say, hey, why can't Vedapriya be there, like that? Okay, and I can step in and whatever best of helping and I can provide, I can join. Okay, so this is me. And one more time, I also educated what is the meaning of true meaning of independent. It is meaning people were thinking independence means self-made, out of the not without any help, like that. But I was the one who educated. No. Humans are dependent even when they became zygotes. So that means everything is interdependent. A dust, without dust humans cannot survive. Without animals humans cannot survive. Means everything is dependent. So that means independent means you separate that inward, and dependent word means humans are independent of all the sources, all the living organisms, all the non-living organisms. So it is a chain reaction, right? So that's how the population got educated first time, and then they got educated on what exactly is the meaning of the word independent. I only educated independent means being independent, being dependent, and also independent means in a teamwork, people will doing their assigned tasks. Let's say there are 10 team members. Okay, it is this session is going long. Please be patient because we are working on a very important issue, right? So let's say there are 10 team people, and in the teamwork in the project, the 10 team members will be assigned different tasks. So that means everybody has to do their assigned tasks, and then at the end of the day or the stand-up meeting or the regular meeting, it all comes into the one family mode. Got it? So that is why even in the workplace, how that family values, people value their family, honor, respect provided to the family. It's the same thing in the workplace also. I don't know about my peers. I value, honor, respect the talent in whatever level my peers are having. I always, even when I talk, I provide those as my guidelines. I provide honor, I provide respect, and I value their talents. Okay, and that means I might even be low in the talent, right? So it's okay. It's because that's how. See, then I also know that nobody can steal my talent because it's God given, and nobody can steal my civilians' talents either, because it's all God given. It's unique. If you see, no talent is same. Nobody's talent is same. It is always like snowflake. It is different, unique, distinct. So that is why no civilians' talent must be wasted. But unfortunately, with all the scandals that is going on, Pope Francis enforced all the nations should mandate, enforce the people's talent to be gone. And imagine the aging factor is there. How many people careers got destroyed just like that, and age gone, right? So that means that itself is a separate crime enforced on the civilians. right? How much of emotional torture they have to undergo through just because their career got wasted, just because they got aged, right? Because these workplaces, people, they want energetic people who can work, because it's going to be a complex task after all. It's a brain drain job. If you're going to see in the medical field, they want a lot of doctors and nurses to provide this medical services. If you're going to see for police services, they want lots of police people who can guide the people in the rightful way. But then on the bottom line, the foundation level, each organization itself is crime. Each organization itself is a prostitution. So don't tell things, first fix that and then hire the people mode is a healthy way. Apple, Google, Microsoft, prostitution. What is population going to do about that? Zoom, Facebook, Twitter, prostitution. What is population going to do about that? Harvard Law, Harvard Medical School, prostitution. What is people are going to do about that? Public sectors, Department of Child and Families, Department of Justice, Department of Health and Services, prostitution. What is people are going to do about that? They are living day to day with the Medicaid, Medicare, welfare programs. They have to go. And what if they know that it's a prostitution? They should not even be getting any of the welfare services at the first place. Republican government, prostitution. Democrat government, prostitution. President leaders, prostitutes. Tell me what people are going to do. They're going to go crazy, isn't it? What are Christian theologians going to do? They are prostitutes, highest level of prostitutes. The church pastors, they are the highest level of deadliest domestic violent and wild endangered species prostitutes. Highest level. I already said Billy Graham, the late Billy Graham is the highest prostitute. Enough for an excellent education. Enough. Right? So, when I am displaying all this crime to the USA government, it is USA government that needs to provide me a salary right now. I am asking only rightful salary. I never asked for all the software world to be prostitution. I never asked for any adverse software. Sorry. If Apple, Microsoft and Google loves to create more and more adverse software, it is their lookout. It is not my job. I will take cane in my hand and I will discipline. It will be a parent-child discipline only. Who on the earth gave authority for Google or Apple or Microsoft to even create adverse software like that? Just like that. Just because they get luxury and just because they get tax revenue out of it. Who gave that authority? I never asked for Pope crap. So they should never have listened to the Pope crap at the first place. They should have never have listened to the Queen Elizabeth crap. So I will get this justice my way in front of all nations. Everything's wrong and everything's broken, right? Let USA go crazy. I know President Joe Biden will resign immediately and he will be going and stay only in his favorite room in Delaware hometown. Wait, watch and see. He can never be president, my dear fellow mankind. The crime is so skyrocketing that his president became so invalid. Everything invalid made, and people made it a joke after all. And I'm displaying only how President Trump is innocent. And that impeachment trial is the deadliest crime after all. Hey, just stop it. Stop that foolishness. Already one president got impeached and you all created the crap out of it. Just stop it. Don't do the mistake over and over again. Stop it. By allowing President Trump to be freed, it is the existing president Bill Clinton is honored highest way. That is a wisdom. Just don't do it. Stop it. Enough of being fooled. For how long USA government will be proudest saying they are proudest to be fools? Fools will always say that they are all proud to be fools. That is the attribute, telltale sign of a fool. Okay, so yes, I have to explain how and why the software world is a prostitution to the population, right? So how much money people are shelling out to get Apple products or Google products or Microsoft products. Costly, right? So that many dollars, that many state tax, that many federal tax, blah blah blah. Then there is extra maintenance tax, renewal cost, hidden cost. All for what? Revenue for prostitution services. What is the saddest truth? They never even know. Apple is innocent because Apple never even knows that Apple is a one victim of abuse and is forced to be a prostitution because they don't know the scandalous highest level of absolute monarchs alone. They are worshipping Queen as God because Queen and Pope only is throwing luxury and dollars to this software world. And it blinded their eyes forever. It blinded their eyes forever. They are shedding only tears of shame, my dear fellow mankind. And it is absolutely a highest priority level of civil justice that needs to be addressed and fix it. Without fixing these crimes, nation should not dare to operate. No. And that itself proving that President Joe Biden is highest level of criminal. Right? He's saying everything's okay, we can fix this, that, and everything's not okay. Sorry, Mr. President Joe Biden. Don't fool population anymore. Enough. Get out of the White House now. Be patriotic. If you want USA to be saved and freed from chains of slavery of Pope Francis, just resign immediately. Do that least help as a team process. Best of the ability. That is what I am asking him to do. Just do the task. Do not ask me why, who is she, like that. I already gave that task, keep working on who am I. I own USA, that is all I can tell. So, I, Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own the text for ongoing civil justice sign-off. USA Apple is enforced to be prostitution. With fatal negligence failed to educate, USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge and Republica government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I Vedapriya Prose abruptly on 2018 and Republican government of United States of America took away $4,500 October 2018 abruptly and enforced finance debt of $10,210.38 since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020 and as of today February 2021. So then they also enforce finance disability to I. So Apple is prostitution. Who gave that authority for Apple to even create, not to educate USA in the rightful way? So to be fatal negligent is also a crime. There is no birthright for anybody to become fatal negligent. They cannot give an excuse. There is no room for excuse there. And what is the civil justice that can be served to me at this point of time? Yes, I, Vedapriya Prose, want US Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,210.38 in full and sign off tax-free $4,500. And Republica Software World, Apple is enforced to be prostitution nations, must sign off and tax-free $500,000 billion for all types of damages done by selfish, cunning Islam, Judaism, absolute monarchs types and endangered species and health creators. Sorry, I missed that $1 billion in the text. For the next text, I will make that correction. Just make sure it is $500,000 billion that Apple software must direct deposit to my bank account immediately. And who is going to help them in the finance transaction? Wholly at fault and found guilty, Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and Republican Republic and government of USA will provide the needful help. And I, Vedapriya Prose, for displayed all the absolute monarch's crime to the USA. I want USA to rename the Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name as Vedapriya Civil Justice Served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader is Civil Justice Served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly is Civil Justice Served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations is Civil Justice Served. And I, Vedapriya, to be the Supreme Chief Family Law Judge for all nations is Civil Justice Served. And I, Vedapriya, to become the Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports, Exports, Military in all nations across the globe is Civil Justice Served. I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India is Civil Justice Served. And I, Vedapriya, must get dual citizenship of USA and India is Civil Justice Served. And yes, my dear fellow mankind, it became 1 hour, and I will, end this session and hope you all are in same page in this crucial civil justice sign off. And please be patient. Yes, I have to get the rightful job. Yes, I have to get the rightful salary. Yes, I have to get the rightful national benefits. All USA government only should take the responsibility and provide all this help to me right now without any delay. Right? And yes, my dear fellow mankind, I surely will get the medical finance compensation for entire human kingdom count by count. In 1 minute is enough for me. Okay, I am born to save the world, and civil justice wins always is the wisdom. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.